What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezie, and we're back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Evawigs. They sent me this lace front HD lace wig. Now, the lace is HD, meaning that the lace is supposed to be thinner, more disguisable, and a lot more flexible than regular laces. So we're gonna see what it's talking about, okay? So I only expect this install to be a hella scalpy, okay? You know how we do. So the length is 14-inch, but it kind of looks like a long 14. So I'm thinking it's like a 14-16, possibly even an 18, but I'm gonna put all the correct information below. Modeling today, we have my girl Piper in the building. No period. But y'all can call her Dimple if y'all want to. All right, so I got a question for y'all. All right, do y'all have that friend, okay, where when y'all get together, y'all can literally joan on something or someone or each other on and on and on and on, like it never stop? Do y'all have a friend where y'all get together and y'all just do nothing but laugh? It's like, what is taking anything serious when you're around this person? Laughing until we ain't got no more air in our lungs, honey. Like, this is how me and this girl is. Like, when I tell you there are no dull moments when I'm around this girl, like like I'll be ready to pass out. Alright, so I'm going to take my green alcohol and cleanse her skin one more time because I don't want to put the glue over the makeup because that can actually affect how much the glue sticks. So, of course, I'm only using liquid lace glue. If y'all want your own bottle, head to galaxygirlhair.com. All right, so once again, I'm going to remind you guys that before I do these videos, I always pluck and bleach all my wigs. Well, Junie does. But basically, all the wigs are plucked and bleached before we record. So once you get your wigs in the mail, you know, you got to do a little work to them, you know what I'm saying, to get them to look like how they do in this video. And also to tint my laces, I used to use a liquid like a spray tint, but now I don't. I use something that's a lot quicker. As I told y'all in other videos, I use makeup. So I use a very, very thin layer of liquid foundation and I apply it with a brush or a sponge. Or sometimes I'm feeling like I should use powder. But yeah, makeup is like my new best friend on lace. if this is really a 14 inch, this is a really long 14. I can appreciate me a little long length, okay? All right, you guys, so this is the final result. Once again, thank you so much, Evawigs, for sponsoring this video with this 14-inch straight HD lace front wig. Mind you, this is 180 density. So if you guys would like this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.